Now, as you can see, a lot of things are indeed happening here at Rufaro Stadium. In the background is a soccer match which a lot of people had anticipated would be starting at 9 a.m. until 10. Fantan, a couple of other musicians have joined the team to give maximum support to the SWAN brand at their official launch. Just remember that later on there shall be a musical concert featuring the likes of Winky D. Kina is also there. I understand Darula is here. So this is Pahasha TV together with Oscar Pambuka Productions, and we are here to give you updates as they unravel.
This is an exciting event. The people are enjoying themselves. As you can see, we have had the legends. We are preparing for the 13th, 14th, 15th, when we'll have the Mayor's Cheer Fund Cup. As you can see, it's a carnival atmosphere. The ambience is beautiful. We are bringing soccer back to the community. We are working with people, with the youth, with the old, with all leaders of society to come up with a new program to keep the nation entertained and to keep the nation happy. We are thankful for the sponsors for what they've done, and we are going to have more and more events of this nature.
Toda kutenda company yedu SWAN nekuuya kwaitwa mumusha muno Mbare constituency Rufaro Stadium. So tiri kutenda zvikuru neprogram yakadai nekuti ndofunga maona ma musicians nema legends edu achitamba bhora muno, and mukatasa ground rally yezvino mune ma youth akanyanya kuwanda, and it would say no to drugs. Saka vakapota vachiwana zvekuita zvinenge zvakadai aiwa zvinofamba kuti vabude muma streets vave vanoita serious ne-entertainment, and we are happy tikufara because vanhu vabva iZimbabwe yese yauya kuzosapota boka redu reSWAN rinove iro homemade. Kachiti homemade yedu muno ndere muno muZimbabwe, zvese zvainogadzirana zvinenge zvizvo muno muZimbabwe. So toda kutenda SWAN nechirongwa chayatipa kuti vanhu vava vanosununguka. Mukataza kuti zvino vanhu vese vari kufara, ndo Mbare yatinoda, and ticharamba takabata takadaro zvinhu zvedu zvichienda mberi neSWAN.